When I started trading, I didn't care about psychology, mindfulness, or any of that mental game talk. I was in it for one thing: money. No boss, no office, just me, my screen, and unlimited potential. I thought I'd cracked the code. Flip a few trades, build a lifestyle. Fast cars, freedom, no alarms. And for a while, it looked like it was working. Until the same setups I used to win started turning on me. The charts hadn't changed. I second-guessed my entries, chased losses, broke rules I barely had. And just like that, everything vanished as fast as it came. That's when I learned the market doesn't care how badly you want it. And the first real milestone in trading isn't profit. It's failure. You can't skip it. You can't fake it. You have to live it and grow through it. If you're hearing this before blowing your first account, consider yourself lucky, because most traders only wake up after the damage is done. I wish someone had told me earlier, trading psychology isn't about being positive. It's about being honest. Not with the market, with yourself. I used to think psychology meant staying calm during losses, breathing, meditating, pretending I wasn't angry. But that's not it. Real psychology is a mirror. It shows you why you break your own rules. One trader I mentored kept blowing stops. He blamed the irrational market. I told him, forget journaling your trades. Journal your excuses. A week later, his notebook was full of confessions. I wanted to prove I was right. I couldn't let that trade beat me. I just needed to make it back. The market wasn't the problem. His ego was. Try it yourself. For 1 week, forget setups. Write down why you break rules. You'll start seeing patterns. And those patterns are your real system, the one running silently behind your charts. When you stop blaming the market, you finally start seeing yourself. That's where the real work begins. I used to curse the screen and say, the market's wicked today, like it had a personal grudge. But Mark Douglas said it best: if you can create a state of mind unaffected by the market's behavior, the struggle ceases to exist. That hit hard, because the market was never fighting me. It was reflecting me, my fear, my need to be right, my urge to win the argument I could never win. Revenge trading wasn't about money, it was about pride. FOMO wasn't opportunity, it was fear. The charts were never against me. They were showing me everything I refused to see. Try this. For one session, hide your balance. No P and L, no profit, no loss, just execution. You'll realize how addicted you are to validation, not discipline. Because the market isn't your enemy. It's your mirror. At some point, you'll hear, maybe you need to work on your mindset. So you meditate, journal, breathe. But mindfulness won't make you a better trader. It won't increase your win rate. What it will do is expose you. It shows you who's really clicking the button, your system or your ego. I remember one Monday morning, perfect conditions, no entry. The market moved without me, and my mind started whispering, you're missing out. Just enter now. If you don't, someone else will. So I did. 3 impulsive trades later, gains gone. That day, I wrote one line in my journal. I was trading like someone afraid to be left out. That was the day mindfulness stopped being spiritual and started being practical. Mindfulness doesn't fix your trading. It reveals you. It shows whether you're trading from fear, ego, or flow. Until you stop tying your worth to your last trade, you'll keep bouncing between false confidence and quiet panic. Real consistency begins with emotional neutrality. Not chasing, not reacting, just awareness. Because growth isn't about new strategies. It's about seeing who's really behind the click. If you can see the thought without chasing it, feel the fear without folding, hear the voice urging you to break your rules, and still follow your plan, you've crossed the line. You're no longer trading against the market. You're trading alongside yourself. That's when clarity becomes your edge, and peace becomes your power. The market doesn't shape you. It reveals you. And when you learn to see the truth in that reflection, you stop chasing trades and start mastering yourself. Stay aware. Stay evolving. Stay trading.